Lisa, drop your mask. Do your muscle. Whoever's got the...
In order to ensure that the treaty achieves its promise, it must enter into force.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would just like to take a moment to thank also not only you, Ministers, Excellencies, Monseigneur, His Serene Highness, Prince Albert II of Monaco. Monseigneur, you have the floor.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, the 19th of June 2023 was the Principality of Monaco. We'll do everything in its power to support this movement.
To mess it up. But we did mess it up. And that puts every
Minister, but also as an activist for so many years for
personalities that we can do it, and we did it. But as a lot of you said, we need especially to create maritime protected areas. So, because it's rugby time.
Merci Hervé. Thank you for your speech and your signature. And
Never did. And of course I did Avatar, so we were in the ocean, you know, and being of the ocean, and that was, you know, being with Jim Cameron, and his attitude toward the planet is a very inspiring thing. It's an amazing moment to be here and see such multilateral cooperation and so much hope and so much determination to change the way we view the ocean from a big garbage dump and a place where we can take stuff to a place where we take care of. And I think I hope we have time to create 30% of the oceans to be protected by 2030, but we only have 7 years, really 6 years, and there's a lot to do. Ratification is the beginning of everything that we have to do. When I live in Hawaii and I see how the Hawaiians used to just negotiate the climate, how they used to conserve their water and things like that, there's so much we can learn from indigenous people about how they, for centuries, protected their resources, and we've kind of, you know, don't even think about that, and we have a lot to learn, and we have a lot to do.